Unraveling the Mystery. What does hairband really mean? Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to delve into, the phrase hairband. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate English learner, understanding the nuances and uses of this phrase can be quite handy. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery together. First, let's look at the two words that make up the phrase, hair and band. Hair is quite straightforward. It refers to the strands that grow from the scalp of humans and some animals. Band, on the other hand, can have a few different meanings, but in this context, it refers to a thin strip of material that holds something together. When we combine these two words to form the phrase, hairband, we are referring to a small loop of elastic or other flexible material used to hold hair in place. It can be used to create ponytails, buns, or other hairstyles. The important thing to remember here is that a hairband is used for styling and securing hair. Now that we know what a hairband is, let's talk about the different types and variations that exist. Hairbands come in various sizes, colors, and materials. Some are plain, while others might have decorations like bows or flowers attached to them. There are also different types designed for specific purposes or hairstyles, such as scrunchies, which are larger and covered with fabric, or elastic bands, which are smaller and more discreet. Understanding these variations can help you choose the right hairband for your needs, and also enhance your English vocabulary related to hair accessories. To help solidify your understanding, let's go through some example sentences. 1. Can you pass me a hairband? I need to tie my hair up before we start cooking. 2. This hairband is too tight. It's giving me a headache. 3. I bought a new set of hairbands yesterday because I keep losing them. In these sentences, hairband is used to refer to the accessory used to secure hair, and you can see how it fits into everyday conversation. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive look at the phrase, hairband. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you now feel more confident in understanding and using this phrase in English. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try using hairband in your own sentences and conversations. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and keep learning.